What is a perfect day for you when you wake up in the morning looking forward to your day? When you get to do the things you really love to do, when you get to go to places you want to go, and be with the people you want to be with. And when at the end of the day you look back and you're grateful for all the experiences you had, what does it take to preserve your overall wellness, to have energy and stamina, beautiful skin, and to age healthy? Because every woman deserves to be fabulous and confident at any age. This is what it takes.